back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an organza, a trendy organza petal or rose sleeve. So it's really simple and easy. So I'm going to show you how to achieve the ball of the rose. So it's really simple and fast. So I have my organza already cut out. So I cut them out in straps. So I'm using 7 inches. So when you fold, you have about 3.5 inches. So on open like this is 7 inches. So if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, do not hesitate to hit on the like button and subscribe. So what I'm going to do is really simple. I'm not even going to make use of machine to do this. I'm going to make use of my needle. It's really simple because organza is really soft. So I folded into 2. So what I'm going to do now, you could decide to do this in 2 ways. You could decide to lock the edges, or like me, I will not lock the edges when I'm done. So I'm going to cover them up. So what I'm just going to do now, I'm just trying to make ruffles, and I'm going to be making use of my needle and thread. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take my needle and thread like this. It's already tied, so I'm just going to run a loose stitch on it straight down to the end. You see what I have is looking beautiful already. I'm just going to take it like this, and then I'll run a stitch on it. So this is the first one that I have. I'm going to do the second one. So you could decide to, depends on how big, how full you want it to be. So that will determine how many straps you will cut. Mine, what I have here, I'm using just 4 straps of about 36 inches. That's 1 yard meters. Second one, I'm just going to pull like this. You can see what I have. You see they're coming together. So I'm going to do a third one now. It's really simple and easy. I'm going to do a third one now. Okay, so I've done the 4th one now. So now I'm going to start, and I'll show you now how to lock them all up to make it look like a rose. So I'm just going to take the edge like this. So I'm just trying to cover them all up. I'm stitching them from the edges together. I'm stitching this on top of this. So, and then this edge, you remember this edge? So you're just going to bring it up like this, and then I'm going to stitch it down like this, like a smaller one. So I'm just trying to bring it up so you can see. That's it done. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to attach it to my sleeve. So I'm going to start attaching to it now. So this is my regular pencil sleeve. So you can decide to attach on any type of sleeve of your choice. So like I said this is really simple and easy to achieve. So you're just going to make use of your needle and thread, the one that I've been making use of. I'm just going to continue. So I'll take it in. Okay guys, so you could see now. So like I said, you can decide to make it as big as possible. So it depends on how you actually want the fullness of it. So the more the ruffles, the more the width. So guys, this is how you attach, and this is how you make this sleeve. It's really simple. So if you find this illustration helpful, please do not hesitate to like this video and then subscribe if you have not done so already. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.